welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick fix on some fence. Last autumn we had a tree when we were burning silvopasture, and the tree was hollow and we didn't know it. And when we left at the end of the night, we thought everything was out, and we got the next day. Tree had fallen over the fence, and that was not good. So I went ahead, took the chainsaw, cut it up, and pushed it to the side. And all I did was just barely fix the fence because I didn't want to have any livestock in there in the winter. It's not a pasture we normally do. But now here we are, mid-August, almost September, and it's time to put the sheep in that pasture for one hard graze before we seed in a couple of weeks with our Abruzzi rye. So I've put the project off a year, 9 months. Now is the time that I'm gonna have to, in some hot weather, get it fixed. Not gonna be a full-time fix today. This is gonna mainly be just showing you guys how to do a temporary fix and not getting all irritated if you can't fix the fence immediately. Later on in the winter, when things cool down, I'll come in with my gripple tool and I will show you guys how to mend this properly. But right now, we're just gonna put up a cattle panel, 16 foot, wrestle it, get it out, get it down there and get it set up. Well, that's out easier than I thought. To keep from having to drag this the whole way down, and the reason that we have an ATV is I just went ahead and stuck a ratchet strap, looped it in there, strapped it down and put it on that. That's going to make a big difference. And these cattle panels, you can see it's 16 feet. So I really don't need that much, but I'm not going to cut these. They're about $26 a piece right now at Tractor Supply. And I'd rather keep them long like that and be able to use them for multi-purposes than to cut them and then, you know, for a custom job. So here we go. So here we are. You can see right here where the fence fell. Well, this is where it ripped out. You can look right up through here. This is where it fell, obviously, with all the wood right there. But yeah, so it fell right in here. And it came from right here. So here's part of it. But here's where it was. And we were clearing out silvopasture, and it just basically fell that way. And this back behind here is all Auburn Experimental Station, and we've got the fire lane. But they've just cut recently, about a month ago. So all of the cool season shade-loving grass that we had all in here and all up here that we planted last fall is going to have to just be stunted for a couple of years because now it will get full morning sun. All right, let's get on this fence. Okay, that's basically it. You can see right here, I've put down this cantle panel in the weakest spot. I can tighten this up, which I will. But this is where the spot really where the fence had come undone. And I just did something as simple as just some baling twine. Always keep your baling twine. I didn't need to put anything at the bottom because at the bottom it's still very secure. It's just at the top you can see right here where this has come loose. But that's it. That's all there is to it. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section below. As always, hit that check for the subscribe button. And if you aren't subscribing, please do. We'll be putting out a video about every 2 weeks. Probably every week now that it's getting colder. There's more to do on the farm. So have a great week.